Yes, I have the crinkles. So this is how my hair currently looks. This is my go-to. I love big hair. I used to wear braids like this. Um, and now I get to actually do my hair. And that's one of the reasons why I got Sisterlocs. I was like, if I get that, I can wear my own hair like that. This is how my hair is braided 11 months out of the year. My hair dye is kind of like growing out. I do have a piece of jewelry in there. It's a heart with a locket. And it's a camera somewhere over here because I love pictures and videos. Oh, there it is. So there's a camera over there. These stay in the entire time. I still have like little pieces of jewelry here and there. It looks kind of short now because obviously it's crinkled. But let's see. If you take this and stretch it out, it's right here. So that's how long my hair is. So I am, if I sit up, it's right here. So my bra strap is right there. That is where I'm looking to stop my hair. I don't want it any longer than that. Yes, I still love it. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So, I am very visual with progress. So I know my hair is growing. I can tell it gets caught in my bra strap, all that other crazy stuff. Book bags. I about snatched this whole piece over here out because I thought a spider was on me one time. It was crazy. But there was something I put in my hair when I first started retwisting. Let me see if I can find that thing. It was a piece of jewelry. There it is. Right there. So I put this jewelry in. When I started retwisting my hair. So 11 months ago, this is where my hair was. And so it has grown quite a significant amount in 11 months. So this is kind of like my ear marker, like to let me know that it's progressing, that it is taming. So, you know, sometimes I feel like my hair is very soft. So when it gets wet, some of it unravels, and I think they call it like slipping or something with retightening. And that was very frustrating in the beginning. But I stuck with it and I didn't do it tight. I didn't do any crazy stuff like try to put witch voodoo or twist my neurotransmitters. I twisted it the same way and just stay persistent. And as you can see, this hair is twisted, so it's not like coming unraveled. This is a lock that has been retwisted since that jewelry was put on. And so as you can see, it's a good bit of luck. But yeah, if you guys have started it, keep at it, experiment. I'm still here. I always tell y'all, you know, if y'all can't afford to be bald scattered, don't be playing with your hair. But it has been cool for me. I like it. I've had people stop me in the store. I'm pretty sure some of y'all are my subscribers because I told y'all the store what was going on. They didn't believe they can retwist their hair. And it's ironic because a place that I asked to retwist my Sisterlocs said that goes against the brand. But that place is now retwisting Sisterlocs. So money talks. But anywho, I guess I wasn't offering enough. But I do my own, so I digress. I'll try to check in more often, y'all. I've been busy. But this is my hair. I'm loving it. Let me get off this stuff before these people tell me I'm on their clock playing around with my hair.